Hi, I wanted to show you how to submit an assignment in Blackboard Ultra. So what you're going to do is you're going to first open up whatever assignment it is that you're trying to submit, the directions. So I'm opening week 1. I'm going to use week 1's topic selection worksheet as an example. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, I want to view the assessment. I'm going to carefully review the assignment directions. Okay, and then what I can do is you look down here, I can add text, images, or files here. Okay, if I click on add content, what I could do is, let's say I could, if it wasn't a worksheet or a file that was already a template to use, then you could just compose your submission right in this box. But in this case, we have a template, so you could either cut and paste the information from the template into this box, your completed template, or what you could do is you can insert a local file. Okay, and I'm just going to pick something at random just so that you can see how it uploads. Okay, and then you have to click Save here for the display name. This means that I'm going to have this file submitted. Now, what's better about submitting a file than typing right into that text box is that you can then view your feedback in a little inline viewer. If you cut and paste or if you type your assignment right into that text box, then I can't do that. Okay, now the last thing, I'm filming this right after, it's after the assignment was already due, so usually it'll be a black submit button. I'm going to click submit here, submit here, and now it is submitted.